This skin has been holding onto blackheads for months, maybe even years. Today, a skilled aesthetic doctor will carefully free every single clogged pore, using nothing more than a precision lancet tool and steady, patient hands. The journey begins with cleansing, removing every trace of oil, sweat, and dust from the skin. A warm compress follows, allowing the pores to relax, almost like they're taking a deep breath before the real work begins. With the lancet in hand, the doctor makes the tiniest opening on the surface of each stubborn blackhead. It's quick, painless, and precise. Then, with gentle pressure, the hidden contents rise to the surface, some sliding out effortlessly, others resisting until the last moment. One by one, the dark plugs are released, leaving behind clean, open pores. When the final blackhead is gone, the skin is wiped clean, revealing a smoother, healthier complexion. A cooling, soothing serum is applied, sealing in the results and calming any redness. Clear skin isn't magic, it's careful work, done with skill and patience. Stay with us for more treatments that are as satisfying to watch as they are for the skin.